Talking with the founder of Youth First, a nonprofit organization for youth substance abuse prevention and early detection. Doctor, let's talk about once somebody has a problem, fortunately, thanks to Youth First, there are ways to get help. How so?
Well, if a parent, a teacher, a school administrator, a friend, a neighbor has a concern about a young person, they could first of all check the website youthfirstinc.org to see a directory of schools where Youth First has social work presence in that school. They can contact the school social worker directly by email or by telephone and give them the name of the student they'd like to have them see and why, and that can happen. There's no charge for services rendered.
Did you in your wildest dreams bill 57 social workers? That's wonderful, but unfortunately, probably another 50 are needed, huh?
A lot more than 50.
Is that right?
We currently provide access to services for about 38,000 young people in southwestern Indiana and 10 counties, as you mentioned earlier. And last year, the social workers touched about 15,000 of those kids in some way, shape, or form. About 2,000 to 3,000 are served on a daily basis with individual intensive services, and another group is served by small group counseling and program activities. Anyone can refer. We're seeing a lot of kids self-refer. We're seeing a lot of young people refer their friends. You know, if they've been helped with an issue, then they might say, hey, I had that problem, go talk to the social worker.
What encourages you? People who know this guy, he's got a tremendous drive. You're still excited as you were 20 years ago. But what scares you as you look ahead?
It's a complicated world that kids are growing up in today. It's a lot different than the Mayberry that I grew up in. I think they have to run a gauntlet that's far more difficult than what you and I dealt with as young people. We need more and more services. Unfortunately, we need a lot more services in our schools and communities to promote healthy behaviors and teach kids how to deal with life's good days and bad days.
And again, and of course, roughly how many of the 57 are in elementary schools? Is the elementary school, I would think, is critical, is it not?
Elementary is critical. I'm not sure of the exact number, but we have social workers represented in schools K through 12 throughout Vanderburgh County, the surrounding counties, and a number of counties in southwestern Indiana. If there's not a Youth First social worker in someone's school, they should ask why.
There you go.
And then they should turn around and help us put one there.
You got it. Give them the number. Give them the phone number if you can remember that.
They can call 812-421-8336, and our receptionist will be glad to help you with any questions. The website also provides a tremendous amount of information on how to access and resources and services, youthfirstinc.org.
And there'll be wonderful fundraisers throughout the years with the United Leasing Golf Champ, the Corn Ferry. Boy, you can help support Youth First there.
You can pick up a free ticket to the Corn Ferry United Leasing Tour Championship on the Youth First website. So go there and print out 100 tickets and give them all to your friends.
There you go. Doctor, thanks, Bill, and we'll see you down the road. And best congratulations again.
You're welcome.
On Youth First.
Thank you.
When we come back, we're going to visit with Joseph Hardesty, owner